West Indies leading fast bowler Kemar Roach says their bowling unit is not feeling any pressure to replicate their performances in the Caribbean last year, which led to them defeating England to reclaim the Wisden Trophy. Roach, who is the most experienced member of the bowling attack with 193 wickets in 56 matches, was the man of the series with 18 wickets in 3 matches in last year's sensational series win in the Caribbean. On Saturday, coach Phil Simmons said the bowling unit has been carrying the Caribbean side in recent times, but Roach says they are not paying too much attention to that.
I think we communicate very well and we also plan very well. To have Shannon back as well in the squad is fantastic. Hopefully he can prove his fitness and obviously work his way back into the test side. But I think me, Jason, Shannon, Alzari, we have some other guys coming through as well that have been doing very well in the domestic regional tournaments back home. So I'm looking forward to bowling and learning from these guys as well as I try to teach them as well.
Additionally, Roach says the Caribbean team must be willing to adjust their tactics in English conditions when the first test bowls off on July 8 in Birmingham.
It's a very tough side. So I think for us is just go out there with our team plan, sticking to it, and just adjusting where we see fit. But I think once we stick to our plans, once we go out there, be confident, obviously, and getting stuck into the English batting lineup, I think we stand a great chance of obviously taking that trophy back home.
The West Indies currently hold the Wisden Trophy after defeating England 2-1 in the Caribbean last year. They lost the series 2-1 on their last trip to England in 2007.